Okromi will be unanimously elected as the chief ministerial candidate for the fourth time by Congress legislators. BJP National Secretary Ram Madhav claims BJP will form government in Manipur. Will Hingang MLA and Birain become the next chief minister of Manipur? People in Manipur celebrate Yaoshang festival with religious and traditional enthusiasm. And sports festival herald Yaoshang in many parts of the state. People light torches at the sacred Ganga. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Laita Monica with the latest news updates. Impact News wishes our viewers a very happy Yaoshang. Chief Minister Okromi Singh has been unanimously elected as the chief ministerial candidate for the fourth term by the Congress legislators today, one day after the party won 28 seats in the 11th Manipur Assembly elections. The Congress has alleged that the independent candidate elected from Zirabam constituency, Asab Uddin, has been abducted by the BJP members. A meeting of the Congress party was held today at Congress Bhavan. AICC General Secretary Dr. S.P. Joshi, AICC Executive Member Ramesh Chenithala, Oscar Fernandez, MPCC President T.N. Haukip, Chief Minister Okromi Singh and several elected members of the party attended the meeting. MLA of Kakching Assembly constituency Y. Surchandra told media persons that several elected candidates of different parties have expressed their desire to join the Congress in the formation of the government. He said the Congress has emerged as the single largest party, winning 28 seats in the 11th Manipur Assembly elections. He was hopeful that a government led by the Congress will be formed soon in the state.
Sabudin independent Ziri Kabdo. I quite a support of I want to saw her age, seems Luni Mutaraga, Nasiba Adi Lapanevlapuzi. Otherwise, airport. BJP kamu question laga di mayam election bedagi headache oire he mazi aina khanbedari CISF people da authority khan force up mali ai kana da khoi BJP da sino adu ada idana amandi pamdamni hosi ai Kolkata ra natrakara idana hanbagi ticket ka tai si unfortunate mi masagi on the willingness of Magala somehow forcibly questioned to them never. Ultimately, Canal Kanima Canal Psychology ID man had higher criminal, quite support Tony and Mala Nelapudi.
BJP National Secretary Ram Madhav today claimed that the BJP will form the next government in Manipur. Talking to media persons at the reception of both the successful and unsuccessful candidates of the party at Hotel Classic Grande last night, the BJP leader said the Congress leaders should now realize that the people no more support them. He was optimistic that the BJP will form the government with the support of the successful candidates of other parties. Successful candidates of the party were felicitated at the function.
This state has given a mandate against the Congress party, against the OBC's government. All those parties who have secured votes in the state have an obligation to the people, their sentiments. We hope that they will all come together to support us and allow us to form the government here. We have the support of some groups already, but we are hoping to get support of other groups also so that we will get the required numbers to form the government.
Sources said the BJP is likely to form the next government in the state, even though the Congress has emerged the single largest party in the 11th Manipur Assembly elections. Sources told Impact News that the BJP is in the run to form the next government in Manipur under strict instructions from the centre. The sources also said Hingang MLA Nongthongbam Birain is likely to become the next chief minister of Manipur. BJP Manipur election in charge Prakash Javadekar is arriving at Imphal tomorrow. After his arrival at Imphal, he will hold a meeting with national and state BJP leaders. BJP leaders Ram Madhav and Prahlad Singh Patel are in Imphal today. It is expected that representatives of NPP and NPF will also attend the meeting. After the meeting, the BJP leaders will meet the governor to stake claim to form the government. Sources claim that an NPP MP will be made a cabinet minister in the centre to assure alliance of BJP and NPP in Manipur. The BJP may also assure NPP of a cabinet post in Manipur. The lone LJP MLA Karam Shyam may also become a cabinet minister. After the declaration of the election results yesterday, both the BJP and Congress party are in the run to form the next government. Both the parties today try to get the support of the newly elected independent candidate from Ziribam constituency, Asap Uddin, on his arrival at the Imphal International Airport with Congress MLA Abdul Nasir. Sources said there was tussle among the members of both the parties at the airport as they tried to get hold of Asap Uddin. Sources also said Asap Uddin later left for Guwahati by flight at 3:45 p.m. today. National President of National People's Party NPP Conrad Sangma says the party will take the decision to support the party which will form the government after discussing with its 4 elected candidates. Addressing a press meet at Hotel Classic Grande, he said a meeting of the party's legislatures will decide which party to support. The candidates of one of the oldest parties in the state, Manipur People's Party, polled less number of votes than the Nota in the just concluded 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly elections. MPP fared the worst, polling the least number of votes. The 5 candidates of the party got lesser votes than the none of the above option. President of the party N. Sovakiran, who contested in Hairok, just got 84 votes, while 94 voters opted for Nota in the constituency. MPP candidate in Hengang got 59 votes, Nota 130. In Ketrigao 80, Nota 130. In Kesamthong 204 votes, Nota 206 votes. And in Singjamai 104 votes, Nota polled 206 votes. There were also other candidates of smaller parties and independent candidates who got lesser votes than Nota. Judging by its performance in the assembly, the MPP might find it difficult to survive in the state despite being one of the oldest parties. It may be recalled that the party contested the elections in 2 different symbols, bicycle and oil pump. Yaoshang shoppers today crowded the Khwairaman Bazaar in Imphal as they made their last-minute purchases for the Yaoshang festival. Mothers accompanied by their children brought new clothes for their young sons and daughters to be worn during the celebration of the festival. Women vendors in the market said the sale this year was higher than the last year's. The BT Road in Imphal witnessed chaotic traffic as a large number of people thronged the Khwairaman Bazaar since morning.
Balbroke mayamjil tawdaba afaba orasanona ima isasingda siap hairamge
yamna ingna tapna laiba kumai jibusu mapung phan boina mayam ingna tingna panba pam kemte irang thoktana nungai apana dagi soy ngam yauna hujikan de angang je gari yim pasalaga tawba mayam ma yawidna ko adu asi ana thokpa ko adu amata yawdana ingna chingna nungai na panba pami phaba nungai bai ai phaba Aday punchi nung sang pa laydana tik kaida ba oi ba mangol
mayam ji uba sidaba punung ji ai nong nok thok pa jane Yaoshang ga iroinana aikhoi di hojiki nisha pasa sa dana mata manghal libase manghandana aikhoi gi afaba Manipur ma porakna ba gyan ta na laibado adu poktak pijani.
People in Manipur today celebrated the first day of the 5-day Yaoshang festival with religious and traditional fervour and enthusiasm. The first day of the festival was marked by the burning of Yaoshang in the evening. Young boys and girls in colourful traditional dress went from door to door asking for money, nakadeng. Singing of devotional songs, holy by devotees, applying of colours and Thabal Chombo are the highlights of the festival. People burnt Yaoshang in different parts of the valley in the evening. They also offered fruits and flowers to the Lord before setting the hut on fire. Governor Dr. Najma Haptullah has wished the people of Manipur on the occasion of Holi. In her message, the governor says Yaoshang is marked by gaiety, enthusiasm and spiritualism and strengthens the bond of unity. She also said sports have become an important item of Yaoshang celebration in many areas. Chief Minister Ukram Ibobi Singh has greeted the people on the occasion of Yaoshang festival. In his message, Ibobi said Yaoshang is a festival of joy and reconciliation. He wished that the festival brings peace, prosperity and progress for everyone. IGAR South and all ranks of Assam Rifles also greeted the people on Yaoshang Holi. In a press release, IGAR South wished that the festival heralds an era of peace, progress and prosperity in the region. Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more news updates. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. The piles of garbage on Mayai Lambi in Kaisamthong in the heart of the city have caused serious inconveniences to the people. The waste were dumped by trucks after collecting them from the households in the area at roadside opposite Ramlal Pol School about 4 days ago. The waste appeared to be more than 2 to 3 truckloads. The rotting waste have caused a nasty smell in the area and the people who are passing the area have expressed grave concern. Residents said they have lodged a complaint with the Imphal Municipality Corporation but nothing has been done.
अखोई नुआइजदे को अदुगा अखोई मफम आदा हुंदोकफम दुदा हुंदोगा तौहनिंगी क्वालिटी डंपिंग ग्राउंड ने लेको अभी तौन लंगोन बजगा अदु लंगोपी गदने अदु स्वाइगी कनोबो लंगबे यारो एना सजबारा मिसंगी हाइरे अदुगा असिले पूरा फादरम दि या नुआइटिंग कले नंबर नेबा थोइसिंग या पुन लोगोने तौरिबो थबकसिनदि मोइगी मैनेजमेंट पूरा सोरेन लोगो या ओ परिणाम याम चनरिबा जगह से मतलब लोई पैसे तमगदी मैनेजमेंट से सोरेन लोग
District Election Officer Imphal West, C. Arthur Warchoyo, has appreciated the state and central observers, ROs, AROs, nodal officers, master trainers, polling personnel, micro-observers, sector officers, webcasting teams, counting personnel and other personnel for making the election exercise a grand success. He also thanked the media for their cooperation. The third international tour of the Editors Guild Manipur began yesterday with 14 members of Editors Guild Manipur leaving Imphal for Cambodia. The tour is organized by Editors Guild Manipur to expose the editors to the various aspects of the citizens and environment of neighboring countries as well as those countries that will have direct or indirect impact on Manipur as India acts east. The tour is expected to expand the understanding of the editors about the countries they visit. The first tour was to Thailand, where the Editors Guild Manipur helped relaunch the Unity of Thailand Diaspora. A Facebook group by the name Global Manipuri Platform, administered by the Manipuri diasporas and Thailand, was launched to facilitate Manipuris desiring to visit or work in Thailand. The second tour was in Mandalay and Yangon in Myanmar, where the editors tried to understand the immediate neighbor who will be directly impacting the lives of general Manipuris as the Eastern Gate opens. The tour to Cambodia is funded by contributions by editors, funds raised by the EGM through its many activities and through private donations. During this phase, the editors will visit Angkor Wat in Siem Reap and the Killing Fields before heading back to Imphal. Govindaji Temple Board today released its calendar. The board has been releasing Govindaji Temple calendar since 2002.
अखोई हौगदब मतमना अखोई चेराव नोंगामदगी हौबुदुना ओलकपगी चेरावबा भाव चकदब अदुई कैलेंडर नि अतै खाइग मानदब टॉप टॉप चाही अमगी फोंगबा गोविंद सेवागी अदुगी दम गतवनी गोविंदगी टॉप टॉप सेवा यावबा अदु लोना सिदा पीरे सोय लोन यावरे.
Bimola Khojam bagged the Best Award and Second National Award in Hindi Patriotic Song at the International Theatre and National Dance Drama Music Competition held in Cuttack from January 20 to 31. Thobal Women Development Society and Sekpi Khonangkong Association today felicitated her. Now the sports news. Like in the past years, Sports Festival today heralded Yaoshang, the festival of colors in many parts of the state. Since early morning, people from different parts of Manipur came to the sacred Kangla to light the torch, marking the opening of Sports Festival. People including young children and elderly persons are participating in the Sports Festival held in different localities. The festival aimed at leading the youths in the right path during Yaoshang celebrations. The 7th annual sports meet of the Old Manipur Working Journalists Union also kicked off today. The beginning of the meet was marked by the lighting of the torch and hoisting of the Amju flag by Wakhemja Siamjai, president of Amju at Manipur Press Club at Majorkul. Competition will be held in various sports events including athletics, football, volleyball and cricket. Races will be held tomorrow morning at Kumalampak Main Stadium, followed by volleyball matches. Badminton and table tennis will be held on March 14 at the National Sports Academy's Indoor Stadium in Kumalampak Sports Complex. Football matches will also be held on March 15 at Astroturf Rao Club near Kumalampak Sports Complex. Cricket matches will be scheduled for the last day of the sports meet on March 16 at Luangsamam Cricket Ground.
Yaoshanggi akoigi numit mangani akoigi chuti numit asida amjugi members sing akoigi makan gi event sing sanabagi akoi sport meet se athui pangthok tron lai adhanti sina akoi tare rak suba sport meet ne basigi akoigi karino haibadi akoigi paumi sing se pau se akoi ibadan tana atopa trade khuding desu sana khoda barasu atopa kodam rakso akoigi yamna hai singba yam leiba aduga bagi akoigi health sector ra akoigi pasamu phoba akoi dum bada mai onsen dana akoina sana bachida mai toguni yam nungai rabadi akoi notice ki oina akoigi Guwahati da silaga sanaba notice ki akoigi jadis sport mitasu chai khudingi oina akoigi amjugi sanaru singna akoigi akoi overall champion thanga thanga chai hum logdo lai adun amjugi laire pawbi singi marakta sanabada tungan ma sanabada akoi football sanaba cricket sanaba any akoi athletic item sing badminton sing mayam su yamna akoigi haitu singjoba mayam yawi adugi damakta oina Yaoshang manungi akoigi chuti laibe sida pawmi singa sigi sanabagi akoi telel uthokna sinjabani aduga akoigi amjuda laiba members sing marakta akoi loinamak akoigi sida akoi chingmi akoigi tammi adagi akoigi muslim baitai muslim mayam puna loinba yawi pawmi sing amata oibagi unite oibagi paujil adusu akoi sport ki asida akoi sinjabani aduna masida akoigi Yaoshang sida akoigi lekai kudingda sport da mai onsen lakanda leiba abirataina ba phi munaba atopa langphai sakidana ba adugi message adusu akoigi
Imphal West District Football Association beats DSA BPR Bishnupur by 3-0 in the Inter-District Under-17 Boys Football Tournament on the 6th Inter-District Kanglei Park Football Trophy. The tournament is held on the theme Sports for Sensibility by Kanglei Park Students Association at Imphal Polo Ground with 4 teams competing. DSA Sadar Hills and Imphal West District Football Association will play in the second match tomorrow. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Pokrobi Singh unanimously elected as the Chief Ministerial candidate for the 4th time by Congress legislators. BJP National Secretary Ram Madhav claims BJP will form government in Manipur. Will Hingang MLA and Birain become the next Chief Minister of Manipur? People in Manipur celebrate Yaoshang festival with religious and traditional enthusiasm. And Sports Festival herald Yaoshang in many parts of the state. People light torches at the sacred Kangla.